Today we are exploring one of the most sacred and historic landmarks in India, the Ram Mandir, located in the holy city of Ayodhya. The Ram Mandir stands as a powerful symbol of faith, devotion, and cultural heritage for millions of people across the country and around the world. Ayodhya is traditionally believed to be the birthplace of Bhagwan Shri Ram, whose life represents truth, duty, compassion, and righteousness. The values associated with Shri Ram have guided generations and continue to inspire people to live with integrity and responsibility. The journey toward the construction of the Ram Mandir was long and complex, shaped by history, belief, and legal processes over many decades. Through constitutional and judicial resolution, the path was ultimately cleared for the temple to be built. Today, the Ram Mandir is a magnificent example of traditional Indian temple architecture, crafted with detailed stonework and inspired by stories from the Ramayana. Every part of the temple reflects deep devotion, artistic skill, and cultural significance. Beyond its religious importance, the Ram Mandir has become a symbol of unity and identity. Its presence has contributed to the development of Ayodhya, with improved infrastructure, growing tourism, and new opportunities for local communities. More importantly, the Ram Mandir reminds us of patience, faith, and harmony, showing how lasting solutions can be achieved through dialogue and law. As India moves forward, the Ram Mandir stands as a bridge between the past and the future, honoring tradition while guiding generations ahead. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video meaningful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.